Okay, so in this video we're going to be talking about how to add text to the video. So in Final Cut, um, it's nice because you can see the clips, the scene changes, and which clips end and start. Um, in Final Cut, you'll just go to titles and just drag a basic title and just press B and blade it out. And what you usually want to do is just have it over one scene. Have one scene per text or one text per scene. So what you want to do is in this particular one we shall do become your own boss. So that's 4 words: become your own boss. So what we're going to do is we're going to write become, okay, and then we're going to find a font which is condensed, and it follows the serif type of styling. So um, let's go through here. DIN condensed is pretty good, but I've been using that a lot lately, so let's change it up a little bit. Um, here's a good one. Bebas New. I don't know how to pronounce that, but that, yeah, it looks like a good font to use. Or actually, you know what? Let's just use DIN condensed, because that font in particular is a web. It's a font that I downloaded, so it's better to not confuse you as to which fonts you should be using. So let's just use DIN condensed. So what you want to do is center it, and then make sure you use a drop shadow. Okay, for the drop shadow, opacity needs to be 100. Okay, you always want to make sure it's 9. In some programs it'll be 90, some programs it'll be 270. In Final Cut it's 270. And just play around with it, see which side is makes the shadow go on the bottom. Use that side. Okay, so you just want to make it a reasonable shadow, and then blur it. Usually I just like to use 23. 23 is a good magic number for blurring out the drop shadow. Okay, so as you can see, you have the text. Okay, next you just want to do is copy and paste, and make sure that it lines up with the next clip. Become your own. And then there's a little gap right here. What we'll do is we'll make it a little fancy here. So boss. But in the next video I will show you how to do a little quick cool edit, which can make your video much more high quality in terms of editing.